Hey everyone, welcome back to Encore at Halifax Plantation. By popular demand today, I'm going to show you one of our Cambridge villas, but with the white cabinetry. Follow me this way, opening up into our kitchen here. Beautiful quartz counters. Notice these 42-inch cabinets with the crown molding. Over here to my right, we've got our 2-car garage with the laundry room. Over here, we've got your guest bedroom, full guest bath. Notice this space here, it's wide open. You've got your dining room, your living room, right out to your back covered lanai. Just imagine all the furniture and the parties you could host back here. Follow me into your master suite. Plenty of space here for all of your furniture. 9-foot 6-inch ceilings, double closets, his and hers, right into your master bathroom. Notice that walk-in shower, double vanity, and your water closet as well. I really thank you for watching this video today. My name's Chris Hausman with D.R.Horton. I can't wait to tour you. Thank you.